Alright, man, holla then, holla then, holla then, holla then.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of things that I got from Forever 21 for like spring/summer. And then after that, I will be putting together a couple of outfits from these clothes. Just some outfits that I would probably wear after quarantine because obviously I'm not going to be wearing them anywhere right now. Besides maybe for like pictures for Instagram or something. But yeah, I thought this would be fun because the clothes that I got, I'm so happy with. And I just thought that they were really cute. Hopefully you guys can get some inspiration from this. I also did look on Pinterest to find some inspiration for these outfits as well. So yeah, I'm really excited. I finally have some new clothes. I feel like I haven't gotten clothes in like forever. But the sad thing is that I cannot even wear them for like another month. So we're just kind of doing this for fun right now. But yeah, I think that is all. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm gonna start off with tops because I did get mostly tops, and then we can move on to like bottoms and other stuff. So this first thing that I got is like a bodysuit type of thing, and then it buttons at the bottom. Actually, this is the wrong way. Looks like this in the front. I don't have anything red like this, so I just thought I needed a pop of color in my wardrobe for the summertime, and I really like how it ruffles on the arms right here. And yeah, I just think it's really cute. It's also like a striped pattern on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is the first top that I got. Alright, so the second top that I got, I am so obsessed with. It is literally so cute. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if this is too bright. I feel like it is. This is what it looks like. It has like fruit print on it. I just think it's so cute for summertime. And this comes down right here. I don't think it comes down too far. I tried it on. I also love the like cinched here on the side, and then it ties into a bow. But I really like how this looks on. I think it's so flattering, and I just really like the print. I think it's perfect for summertime. Alright, so the next thing I got is just a simple little crop top. This is like a baby pink color. It is a little bit shorter than what I thought it would be, but as long as I wear like high-waisted shorts with it or something. But it also has like the ruffle at the bottom, which I know is like really popular right now. But yeah, I think that is just a cute little staple that I will be wearing a lot probably. And then the last shirt that I got is like a sweatshirt type of thing. So I actually wore this in one of my last Instagram posts. But it's a long sleeve. I just thought that it would be nice for Michigan because I feel like some days it can be like really cold in the summer. Like not really cold, but like 60, and I just thought this would be nice to also wear like over my swimsuit or something if we're like going to the beach. But it's also a crop top, so I just thought that I would want a sweatshirt type of thing for like covering over it just when it gets a little bit colder in Michigan. Okay, so that is all for the tops, and then the next thing I got is a dress actually, which I tried this on and I'm not in love with it, but I mean, it's pretty cute. It's just like a, I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. This is what the top looks like. It crosses in the back, and it has a zip up, and it's just like a peachy, light peachy shade. I just thought it would be cute for summertime again, for like photo shoots and stuff. And then the last clothing item that I got is just a pair of shorts. I don't have any shorts like this, and I also needed a new pair of shorts in general, so I think these are so cute. I feel like they're very trendy. Like this is what a lot of people are wearing right now. And then this is what the back looks like. But I like it because it like fits towards my waist. I won't need like a belt or anything with it. So yeah, I'm excited to wear those. They're also very high-waisted, so that's super nice as well. And then the last few things that I got are just some jewelry pieces because I feel like I literally have no gold jewelry, so I thought it would be nice to finally get some gold jewelry. I used to hate gold, but it's kind of growing on me now. So the first thing that I got is a necklace. So I'm gonna take it out for you guys. That would be smart. So this first one is just a layered necklace. So this is what it looks like. It is like a coin type of thing, and yeah, I feel like these are very trendy right now too. I got one of those. So I got two pairs of earrings next. And I've really been loving the hoop earrings. I don't know if you guys noticed, I wear these in like every single video. So I did get a gold pair, and this is what they look like. I'm really excited to wear them. I think they're super cute. And then the next pair of earrings that I got are these butterfly earrings. They're pretty long, but they just have butterflies on them, and yeah, I thought they would be cute for like Instagram pictures and just like wearing them in general, because I don't have anything like that. And the last thing I got, I'm so excited about. I've wanted these for so long. Just some gold rings. So I got a ton of them, but I just really like how the look of rings look, so, and like layering them and stuff, so I'm really excited to wear these. Alright, so the very last thing that I got is not super exciting, but I just got a belt just because I only have a black belt. I feel like I needed more colors, so I just got a white one. I thought that this would be a lot thicker, but this is super slim, so I really don't know how often I will wear this, to be honest with you. Just what it looks like, and then it has gold detailing right here. Why is it not focusing? There we go. This is what it looks like here. But yeah, it's super thin, so I don't really know how that's gonna go. But that is everything that I got, so I am going to try and create a couple of cute outfits with these clothes. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into that part. Okay, so this is the first outfit. So I have that fruit top on that I really liked, and then I have a skirt on. I don't know if you can really see. And then I just put the belt on that I thought I wouldn't like, but I think it looks okay with this because it's like white and white. And then I just have like the rings on and the coin necklaces, and then I also have my gold hoops on that I just got too. I think this outfit is really cute. I would actually like wear this. Alright, this is the second outfit. So I have on that bodysuit, the red bodysuit, and I have on those shorts that I just got. Still have the tag on them. But I am obsessed with how this outfit looks. I think it is so cute. Oh my god, I'm like obsessed with this outfit. I don't know what it is, but I love it. And then I have the same necklaces on, and then I put those butterfly earrings on, which are super freaking cute. Yeah, that is the second outfit. I am so obsessed with this. I feel like I'm gonna wear this like every day. And I also think that you can pair these shorts with a lot of different things, just like different shirts. And yeah, I feel like these shorts go with pretty much anything. So alright, this is the third outfit. Again, I'm obsessed with it. So I just have this pink, the baby pink tank top or crop top. I have the same shorts that I was wearing in the last one. Like I said, you can pretty much pair them with anything. And then I'm wearing this like cardigan kimono thing that I got. I think it's from JCPenney's. I don't know for sure though. Don't quote me on that. I don't know if you're gonna be able to find it still because I did get it a long time ago. But I am, again, obsessed with this outfit. I feel like it's just like so simple and easy. It's also very comfortable, so you can wear this like anywhere. But yeah, this is just how it looks on. I'm also wearing the same jewelry that I was in the last one because I just thought it looked fine with this as well. So I also think you can wear it with or without the little pullover thing. It just looks very simple and just like an everyday outfit. Okay, this is my next outfit. It's a little more casual than the other ones. So I'm just wearing this shirt from Forever 21. I didn't show it in this haul, but I did get this a couple years ago. I'm not sure if they still have it, but it has like cute little cherries on the side and says cherry love right here. And then these are just like the pants that like everyone wears. They're actually shorts, but I don't know if you guys can see that. They're actually shorts. I do not recommend to wash these shorts because they will shrink like crazy. I never wear these shorts anymore, but if they did fit me, I would wear them all the time. I think they're super cute. But yeah, they're a little bit too small for me, so I don't wear these ones anymore. But yeah, I think this outfit is like really chill, casual, super comfy, and yeah, this is my, what is it, fourth outfit, I think. Also, I changed back into the hoops because I didn't think the butterfly earrings looked very, like, I feel like this is more of a casual outfit, so I put the hoops back on. Same necklace, same rings, so I feel like those aren't probably not gonna change. Alright, so this is the next outfit. I don't really know if I like how this looks. I feel like this look is so popular, like with the t-shirt under the dress. I think it's cute. I don't know if I would personally wear it myself, but I know that it's like very trendy and popular right now. So this is how I did it. This is literally just a white t-shirt, and then this dress I'm honestly not sure where it's from. I think it's from Forever 21, to be honest with you. But yeah, this is how mine turned out. I'm wearing the same jewelry again. But I don't know if I would ever wear something like this. I just thought I would do it because it's very, very popular. Also, I didn't say this before, but most of these outfits I would probably wear with Air Forces or just like sandals or something, so that's why I'm not showing my shoes. But yeah, most of them would probably be Air Forces, so just putting that out there. This is my last outfit that I'm wearing, like that sweater thingy that I got. I love how it's like, I love how it looks like from the side, just like cropped and like kind of just like is loose everywhere. I don't know, I just am like obsessed with that. But I'm just wearing a white pair of jeans with holes in them just because I feel like white jeans are okay to wear in the summer because it's like not too hot, especially here in Michigan. Some days it's only like 60 degrees, so I think white jeans are okay to wear in the summer here, at least. Anyways, I like to wear them pretty often. But yeah, I think this outfit is really, really cute. It's tied together with like the sweater thing, especially for a colder day. I feel like this outfit is very, very wearable and cute. I'm also wearing different hoops. These are also from Forever 21. They're very large, I am aware, but I think that they look kind of cute with this outfit. Alright guys, so I think that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun putting these outfits together and also seeing what I can wear this summer, not just for like you guys, but also things that I can wear too. I found a lot of great outfits that I'm excited to wear, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, comment down below which outfit was your favorite. I think mine was definitely the baby pink top with the shorts and like the kimono sweater thingy over it. I thought that was really, really cute. I'm really, really excited to wear these outfits if this coronavirus thing ever goes away. Hopefully we are still able to have a nice summer where we like go out and, you know, actually do stuff, but don't really know how it's gonna pan out, to be honest with you. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also turn my post notification bell on so you are notified every single time that I upload a new video. I upload every single Friday, by the way, if you didn't know that. Follow my social media. It will all be linked in the description box as well. I think that is all, so I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.